Hi guys, Dr. Brad Mouroux. We're going to talk about hip flexibility. I'll give you some core stretches that we want to do for hip flexibility. First one is the front hip stretch. So a lot of times we have over tight quads, underpowered or understrengthened hamstrings and buttocks. But we really want to work on flexibility here so that these can become more active. So we start at the front hip stretch as like a deep lunge, down on one knee, toes underneath the feet, body upright, arms up in the air, and then you're pushing your hip forward while keeping the tummy tight, holding it there for at least 1 minute. It shouldn't necessarily be a full major pull. You do want to go into it and feel a good amount of stretch. Also, inner groin stretch. Feet out wide, bending over the leg of stretch. Bend the outside knee to get a little deeper if need be. Body should be directly over the seam of the pant, and you can even bring the arm over if you need to. That helps the inner groin stretch. The inner hips, so that's basically the ones that are going to get the sides of the hips. Recommend the 90-90 stretch. So 90-90 stretch is when you have one leg forward, one leg back, and you're trying to get your body more upright, hands out, and you're trying to move one way or another. Just sitting here like this, trying to drive your stretch, body upright, is actually really helpful for the inner groin and for the back side of the hip. There is some movements you can do with this, but I just have people just start with this stretch, okay? And then you can do opposite side, right? It really helps some general flexibility. These are just basics. We also have the figure 4 stretch, which is a common one for buttock pain, is when you cross the leg over. You can do this seated like this, or you can do it, so take pressure with the back, laying back, and bring your hip leg forward like this. Even put pressure if you want to get a deeper stretch. Again, holding for about 1 minute.